Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Crypto.com using Passcode in 2FA detailed guide step. To begin the authentication process with Crypto.com, open the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. If you are not already logged in, enter your email address and password, then tap on the login button. Upon successful login, you will be prompted to enter your passcode. Input your passcode carefully and tap on submit. Next, if you have two-factor this code will be sent to your registered email or generated by your Authenticator app. If you are using an Authenticator app, open it and locate the Crypto.com account. Note the 6-digit code displayed in the app. Return to the Crypto.com app and enter the 6-digit code into the designated field. Once entered, tap Verify. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your account. If you encounter any issues, check to see if the passcode was entered correctly. Ensure that you are using the current verification code from your Authenticator app. Remember that the codes expire quickly, so use them right away. If you have trouble receiving the email, check your spam or junk folder for the verification email. In case you still do not receive it, consider updating your email settings or for enhanced security. Consider enabling SMS verification as an additional authentication method. After successfully logging in, navigate through the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Make sure you understand how to manage your settings and preferences in the app. Now you are securely authenticated with Crypto.com using your passcode in two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.